The US dollar currently in pullback phase right now. Obviously, we've had this deep dollar downside last week. Stocks being triggered to the south, taking out that key area of 99.50. Structure obviously still remains bearish right now. Nothing's changed, but there's some profit taking happening. There's a technical correction. Remember, markets don't move in straight lines. We have a couple of key events, or a few key events, should I say, that are really kicking off from tomorrow, where we've got the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, which is core PCE, expected to tick higher. Obviously, that would reignite the and just further intensify the whole stagflation fears. And then we've got the Fed's prefer, sorry, yeah. Then we've got GDP data, which is US growth. Let's see how that comes out. If we see some ticking lower, again, that's the whole sort of stagflation scenario for the United States. There's a lot of fears right now on a fiscal level, rising debt, rising borrowing costs. It's there's a lot of uncertainty right now. So this is just being until something drastically changed. This just being a technical pullback, subject to the structure, continuation to the downside. And obviously Thursday's a very, very big one because we're going to be listening out to know how to position for this, know the language that Walsh is going to be using, because this is going to be setting the further tone for the dollar, which could mean repricing of rate hikes, or unlikely could be the situation of him through his language showing some concerns or expressing some concerns around the idea of stagflation, economic activity slow down, in price of goods and services remain high. So the dollar's currently going through this pullback phase. If you look on the 4 hour, there is some signs of vulnerability, potential bearish flag here. We either catch rejections at this early part of the 99 region, okay, or we travel our way up to the mid 99 sort of region, 99.50 for rejections and continuation to the downside. So that's a dollar right now. Know how to position with that, know how to trade, especially heading into such a critical part of the week, which is the end of the week, but that shapes up heading September, so on and so forth. Guys, other than that, stay lit, stay blessed, and I'll catch you on the next update.